Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your flight date on Etihad Airways. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is actually to head over to the Etihad Airways website. And once you've gone to that website, it should look similar to what's on screen now. Now since we're trying to change our flight date, what we're going to do is go to the top where it says manage. And then over here, there's an option that says manage your booking. And we just want to go to the first option below that, which is view or change booking. So go ahead and click that button there. And that will take you to this link here, where we can input our booking reference or ticket number and our last name to manage our booking. However, before you read that, I highly recommend that you read the modification guide so that you can understand all the eligibility and fees that could be associated with changing your booking. So click on this to open it up. And as I said, just read through all of this so that you fully understand it. You want to make sure that you are actually eligible to change your flight date. You want to make sure that you're not going to be paying too much in fees to change the date. And you just want to read it all so that you understand it, because as you can see, there's a lot of information here. And it is important that you fully understand it before you actually start changing things about your flight. So once you've read all this and you're happy with it, what we're going to do is click back on Etihad Airways again. And then just like last time, we can click manage and then go over to view or change booking. Now from here, you just want to put in your booking reference or ticket number. And if you're not sure where to find that, you can click here and they will tell you exactly what those numbers are and where you can find them. From there, you just want to put in your last name and you can click find my booking to find your booking. So once you've found the correct booking, from there, you will have an option to change the date as long as you do meet those eligibility requirements I talked about earlier. So that's how you can change the date in Etihad Airways. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.